Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of brow lamination and discussing affordable options for achieving those perfect brows without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to learn more, let's get started. 1. Location. When it comes to brow lamination cost, one factor to consider is your location. Prices can vary depending on whether you're in a metropolitan area or a smaller town. So, be sure to research local salons and professionals in your area to find more affordable options. 2. Salon expertise and reputation. The expertise and reputation of the salon or brow technician can also impact the cost of brow lamination. Established salons or professionals with a strong reputation may charge a premium for their services. However, that doesn't mean you can't find affordable options without compromising quality. Look for talented and skilled technicians who offer competitive prices. 3. Package deals or promotions. Keep an eye out for package deals or promotions. Many salons offer special offers and discounts that can make brow lamination more affordable. Take advantage of these opportunities to experience the treatment at a more budget-friendly price. 4. Training centers or beauty schools. Another option worth considering is training centers or beauty schools. These institutions often offer brow lamination services at a lower cost, as trainees or students perform the treatment under the guidance of experienced instructors. It's a win-win situation where you can get cost-effective brow lamination while supporting the learning and development of aspiring beauty professionals. 5. At-home brow lamination kits. Now, if you prefer the convenience of at-home treatments, there are affordable options available, such as Raw Brows Lamination Kit. This kit offers a fantastic solution for achieving professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. Raw Brows Lamination Kit stands out for several reasons. First, it's vegan, made with natural ingredients and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using on your brows. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use, with step-by-step instructions that guide you through the process. In just 15 minutes, you can achieve beautifully laminated brows that will turn heads. It's a convenient and affordable option for those who want professional results without the salon price tag. So, whether you choose professional services, take advantage of package deals, explore training centers, or opt for an at-home solution like Raw Brows Lamination Kit, there are plenty of affordable options to help you achieve those perfect brows. For more information on Raw Brows Lamination Kit and their range of products, be sure to visit their website at www.rawbrow.com. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, stay beautiful.